You and me stuck on the ocean now, nothing but waves in this filling in. I wanna dry up, but you just keep on going, don't you?
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are well. Today's video is a quick one where I'll be bringing you some bathroom cleaning motivation. If you need some motivation to tackle a quick chore in your home, this video is just for you. But before we get started, click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and let's get this done.
Let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late.
So today I am working in our 10-year-old's bathroom. As you can see, there are some spills on the cabinet, but generally it is not messy. But I'm in here to give it a deep clean and to disinfect. I'm also going to be taking down his shower curtain and the liner, and I'm going to toss those into the washer. Since this is a quick video, I'll go ahead and take care of my proper introduction. Hi, I am T, a married mom of 5. 4 are young adults who are not in the home anymore, and we're still raising our 10-year-old. We also have a 5-month-old granddaughter. On this channel, you will see cleaning motivation, DIY home improvement, and room makeovers. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you're enjoying what you're seeing so far. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you, thank you, thank you. Your continuing support means more than you'll ever know.
I will not let us fade away. It's not a price I wanna pay, and it's not too late. No, we lost our purpose, chasing all that surplus. You were all that I need. I feel that we can break free. We can still go back there to a place with no cares. We can turn this ship around. We can turn this ship around all the way back home.
So I will let you in on a little secret. This video was recorded about 4 or 5 weeks ago. I was going to add another video to this and then make a longer one, but then I decided to just let this one be as its own video. The reason why I recorded it so early is because we went on vacation. We have been back home now for just a few days. As a matter of fact, when this video airs, we will have only been home for about 3 or 4 days. So I'm going ahead and releasing this video, but before we went on vacation, I did something pretty drastic. I have a new look. I have a new look for myself, not for my channel, but for me. So if you want a sneak peek of that new look, go check out my Instagram account. Over there, I am homelife_with_T. homelife_with_T. I'll also have it linked in the description box. If you want to take a look at what I look like now, go do that over there. But also, speaking of vacation, next week's video will be a post-vacation reset. I have done a few of those on this channel. If you have not seen one before, go check out my post-vacation resets from before. But I will be sharing pictures of our vacation throughout that upcoming video. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel and you have your notification bell turned on so that you'll be notified when that video is uploaded.
I might go too fast. I don't care about those limits, 'cause I want this to last like nothing ever lasts before. I might go too fast. Suddenly I feel so rich, though I don't know nothing. Oh, I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? I'm thinking about me.
As I get ready to clean the shower and tub, I just want to bring your attention to the shower head. We did replace that a few weeks ago. As a matter of fact, I had a bathroom cleaning motivation that went out. It was 2 of the bathrooms in the house. I think the title might be Bathroom Motivation Times 2 or something. In that video, I did mention how the shower heads were changed in the basement bathroom and in our son's bathroom. I recorded this video the day before we changed the shower heads, but I will go ahead and insert a picture right here so that you can see that we installed the exact same shower head that we put in the basement downstairs. This one just makes it so easy to rinse the shower walls in the bathtub. You don't have to use like a cup or something to take care of all of the chemicals that are on the wall. So what you're going to see me do here is I'm putting a little bit of water in the bottom of the tub as I go about the rinsing, and I'm cleaning the tub right now, but you'll see me right here. I'm just rinsing the tub. I was dipping the scrub brush into some clean water so that I could rinse the residue off the walls. But again, that's why I wanted to get the new shower head, so that I don't have to take this step or use cups or anything like that. It's just so much easier.
I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about you. I've been thinking about
you. Right here you see me using disinfectant wipes to clean the floor around the base of the toilet. I like to take this step before I mop the floor.
Want a house in Malibu? Are you feeling the same way I do? Are you feeling the same way I do?
So let's jump into some good news this week. As I mentioned earlier, we went on vacation and we hiked. That is my favorite outdoor activity. I love to hike, and we take some epic hiking adventures, and we did more of the same this year. So that is my good news for this week. If you have some good news that you would like to share, please do so in the comments below. I will jump into my not so good news just ahead.
I've been thinking about you.
So now let's turn our attention to some not so good news, and in the form of a prayer request. I still have these same 2 ongoing prayer requests that I have had at this point for weeks. I do know that God works in perfect timing, so I am not rushing his timing, and I am being as patient as I need to be, but I do ask you for your prayers. On that note, if you have some prayers that you would like to submit, please do so in the comments below. You do not have to be specific. You can just say unspoken prayer request, and God will know exactly what it is that we're praying on your behalf. If you submitted prayer requests in the past, please know you have not been forgotten. I still pray for your concerns all the time. But if you did have a prayer request that has been that's now a praise, please leave a comment about that praise in the comments below, because you never know who might come across that and be encouraged, inspired, and motivated by your praise.
You take so much more while you're giving less. I'm shaking my head while I'm counting down. I'm counting down, yeah. But I remember a time when our hearts burned. We held back the night and we owned the world. Can we find a way back? Find a way back. Can we find a way back? And don't let me walk on broken water. And don't make me push it any further. Why do you wanna make it?
As we wind down this video, don't forget to check back next week for my post-vacation reset. Also, don't forget to head over to Instagram and check me out. I am homelife_with T. homelife_with T. Over there you can get a sneak peek into my new look, but you can also just see some other things that I tend to post on Instagram that I may not share on the community tab here.
Baby, come on back to me once again. Baby, come on back to me once again. And don't let me walk on broken water.
Well, we got it done. Thank you for following along as I deep cleaned and disinfected our 10-year-old's bathroom. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are not subscribed to this channel but would like to see this kind of content in the future, please click the subscribe button, and when you do, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you won't miss out on future uploads. Until the next time, stay blessed.